Hi, this is needlepointers.com, and today I'd like to show you this in the hoop wristlet that I created with a pattern from Embroidery Garden. This wristlet was created with my embroidery machine using their pattern, and it puts the quilting stitches on the front. The back is plain, and they tell you how to make this little wrist strap. This wristlet is made in the hoop. So the entire thing is made all in the hoop except for the strap. And once you've sewn the whole thing, you pop it out of the hoop, you turn it twice, and you have a wristlet all finished with the zipper installed and even completely finished seams inside. No raw edges. It's a really cute wristlet, and you can choose different fabric. As you can see, I chose this flamingo fabric for the inside and this other flamingo fabric for the outside. I have a friend who really likes flamingos, so I thought this would be great for her for Christmas. This is another one, and it's got more of a sewing theme, and on the inside it has a little material with little buttons, and like I said, it's completely finished on the inside. There's one small seam that you have to hand sew right here in the middle of the bottom. It's a few inches long, and you have to do that hand sewing just to close that because you turn the wristlet through that hole. And that makes it so that it's completely finished on the inside. If you'd like to see more pictures of this wristlet or get the pattern that I used to create it from Embroidery Garden, please follow the link in the description of the video or in the iCard to go to our website, needlepointers.com. From there you will find the pictures and the link to where to purchase this pattern. Embroidery Garden always includes a full PDF with their patterns, which has step-by-step instructions, which makes it easy to make the wristlet. I did make one mistake on my first one. I didn't read the instructions clearly, and I put the last piece of fabric on the front instead of the back, and so then when I was starting to turn it, I noticed that I was going to have the pellon showing on the in the inside, and I saved myself by then going back and I cut the piece off that I put in there incorrectly, and I actually ended up sewing the back piece on with my regular sewing machine so that I didn't have to redo the whole project, because I had already popped it out of the hoop. So once you pop it out of the hoop, you can't keep doing the hoop in the hoop project. So, but I saved it, and it turned out just the same as if it was done in the hoop. So the only recommendation there is to read the instructions carefully so that you don't make a mistake. On this wristlet, the ends of the zipper are nicely finished too. They have these little pieces of fabric there, which makes it more finished look to this wristlet. I hope you enjoyed seeing this project and make one for yourself with your embroidery machine. Please like, share, and comment on our videos. Also, visit our website and pin the page for this project to Pinterest to keep it for later use. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, to see lots of other machine embroidery projects and tutorials.